There are receptor features in several other biological processes as well, many of them outside the scope of this topic. So here I'll just enumerate a few. First of all, we have the virus receptors. Where it enters a cell, a virus has to dock with some cell surface molecules. For instance, the CD4 for HIV and the acetylcholine receptors for rabies. Then we have the cytokine receptors as well, where the communication between the immune cell is largely mediated by the messenger molecules known as the cytokines. To respond to a cytokine, a cell needs to possess a receptor for it. Then we have the hormone receptors. In the same way as these cytokines, the hormones, for instance, insulin and steroids, will act only on the cells carrying the appropriate receptors. Now, to sum up the whole pattern for you, innate immune system will have soluble molecules in plasma that are complement, mannose binding lectin, and acute phase proteins. It also contains cell-associated recognition that occurs in pattern recognition receptors, and they will send these antigens to their respective binding sites for the immune responses. On the other hand, for the adaptive immunity, respective antibody, T-cell receptors, MCH molecules, and natural killer cells, receptors, will create an immune response. I hope you found this information regarding the immunity very helpful, so stay tuned for a detailed lecture on sqadia.com.